Hey everyone, today I'm checking out something that instantly upgrades your bathroom routine. A smart UV disinfecting toothbrush holder. It's sleek, it's automatic, and it actually keeps your toothbrush clean and dry using a built-in UV light and a contact-free lid. Let me show you how it works. Inside of the box, you get the main holder, a wall mounting kit, a USB charging cable, and a simple instruction sheet. Everything's lightweight, modern, and feels really well built. It's designed to mount right on your bathroom wall or mirror using the included adhesive. No drilling or no tools needed. I'm setting it up right next to my mirror where I usually keep my toothbrushes. Just clean the surface, peel the adhesive, press it in place, and let it sit for a few seconds. Once it's on, plug it in or let the internal battery charge and you're ready to go. And also don't forget, you want to put it close to an outlet. You want it to be able to reach an outlet. Like I put mine too far away, so I had to move it. But now it's okay. So if you need to move it, simply pop it off. Comes with a little tab. Pry it off, and it's still sticky, so you could move it to where you want to and reapply it. Simply press, hold, and reapply. It automatically opens when you wave your hand near the sensor, totally touch-free, and closes again once you're done. Inside, there's a UV sanitizing system that activates as soon as you close the lid. It runs a quick cycle that automatically kills bacteria on your toothbrush, then automatically dries it so it's clean and fresh the next time you use it. You'll also see a bright display on the front showing real-time info like battery level and cleaning or drying progress. It really gives a high-tech feel for something as simple as a toothbrush holder. Here's how I use it in my daily routine. In the morning, walk in, wave to open, grab my brush. After brushing, just pop it back inside. The UV light takes care of the germs, and by the next time I need it, it's completely dry. It fits both manual and electric toothbrushes. You can adjust the slots if you share the space with someone else. I really like the minimalist design. Clean lines, soft lighting on the display, and a quiet operation. You don't even hear it running. It keeps the countertop organized and gives the bathroom a much more premium look. And since it's wall mounted, you free up all that extra space around the sink. After using it for a bit, here's what stands out to me. It's hygienic. Actually sanitizes and dries, not just stores. The automatic lid means less touching and fewer germs. The display is a nice touch. You always know when it's charging or cleaning. And the overall design blends perfectly into a modern bathroom. If you like smart home gear that makes everyday life cleaner and simpler, this is one of those upgrades you'll notice immediately. Once you start using it, you probably won't go back to a regular toothbrush cup again. Well, that's it for this one. If you want to see more home and tech reviews just like this one, make sure to follow along and check out the full lineup of products on the Givingtreehome website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.